Hey guys,
Hi.
we're back. We're going to show you how to make a delicious avocado dip.
Right, it's the holiday time and you have to really get creative to keep your diet in check and have really incredible yummy meals. Not only that you can eat, but things you can serve when company comes, because company a-comin'.
That's right, and this is just a way to use vegetable to make your vegetables taste better.
Right.
Okay.
This is the, what is it? Avocado Ranch Dip.
Mm-hmm.
Is it good?
It's really good. I can eat the whole thing. So let's show you how to make it.
Okay.
Okay, so to get the recipe,
Click the link below. Hey Charlie, click the link below. Below.
check it out.
Take
Avocado
two.
dip.
Start over.
Okay.
I think we're blooper friendly.
We're blooper free.
No.
Free of bloopers.
No, we're not.
This is freaking good.
We better stop because we have more things to taste.
Okay.
Take three.
Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to make an amazing dip. This is another way to camouflage, no, scratch that, and jalapeno? Pino? Okay.
Pino.
All right, you
Jalapeno.
ready?